Hey, so I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you either have an audition coming up, which congratulations, or you're just wanting to learn something new. Whichever the reason is, I am so happy that you are here watching. Look at that! Did audition just come up for you? Well, you came to the right place. If your step one is going to be the slate, I'm your gal. Today we're going to be talking all about a slate and what exactly that looks like, why we use it in casting, and some examples of some previous work that I've done that has landed me a job. So your slate is basically a small snippet into your personality outside of the character that you're about to be portraying in your audition. And it also gives casting some basic information from you that they'll take into consideration as they go through the casting process. Perfect. Okay, so imagine this with me. You get the notification that you have an audition and now you need the slate. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is read the instructions. I know that sounds so basic, but it is so true. Casting is gonna tell you exactly what they want from you, so give them exactly what they want. So read the instructions really carefully and follow them to a T. Keep these things in mind as you're about to start your audition. Things that they might include might be the layout, so if you're going to be filming horizontally, which is typically the standard of how auditions are filmed. However, sometimes with some user-generated content, they'll have you film it portrait because most of the content is shared Instagram or TikTok through this typical portrait layout for mobile devices. Once you figure out what you need to say and how you need to frame it, it's time to get behind a blank wall. Before I got this lovely blue wall, I was filming on the wall directly behind me, and it is just a beige blank wall. You can use whatever background you have available to you, but it just needs to be blank so that all of the attention in your audition is focused on you. You don't want anything busy or distracting behind you that is going to take attention away from your wonderful acting. So make sure that you have a clear, blank background, whether that be a blue screen, a green screen, a blank white screen, or whatever you have available. Those are typically the ones that are most common used in casting, but just get behind something that has no distractions behind you. There's no universal one-size-fits-all type of format for slates, so that's why it's really important to read the instructions to know exactly what casting is looking for. What they'll ask for is your name, your height, your location. Now with COVID, they'll ask your vaccination status. Hi, my name is Deja Criston and I live in Austin, Texas. I stand at 5'8" and I am available for all of the shoot dates. Sometimes they'll ask you to reference which agency you're a part of, and also if you're a minor, they'll ask for your age. After you've read the instructions, you got your blank wall, now it's time for framing. This means adjusting your camera to be shoulders up, or mid-chest framing, or waist up framing. Once you've done step 1 of reading, step 2 of finding your blank wall, 3, framing yourself, then 4, it's action time. You're ready to go and you're ready to start filming your slate. That's all I have for today. Go out and rock those slates. Y'all are gonna do so wonderful. I cannot wait to hear about the projects that y'all have coming up and the amazing auditions and self-tapes that y'all are submitting. And if you're working on a project, let me know about it. Tag me on Instagram at DejaCriston so that I can check out your work and congratulate you personally. Thanks a bunch. Bye, y'all.